Hello everyone, we are here at the campus of the Sunrise Adventist Secondary School, and as you can see behind me, these are the pillars that we have come here today to lay the foundation, and this is for extension of this school. If you can see behind me, this school is in a dilapidated state, and we have many children here right from class nursery up to class 10, and in fact this is one of the very promising school in this village. It is a border village between Assam and Meghalaya, and it has already been 3 batches of class 10 students who have appeared their matriculation, and they've all done phenomenally well, and kudos to the teachers here. And so this is my appeal to you, whoever who can hear and listen to this message, that we are trying our best to raise funds to continue building these new classrooms for them, because if you can see in the earlier videos the pathetic condition of the classrooms due to the lack of funds from the school, so they had to make do with these thatched roof buildings, small rooms, very claustrophobic for the kids because it's very hot out here. So we hope with this little contribution from one and all, we can help to build up this school and at least give them proper rooms, proper well ventilated rooms for them to be able to concentrate more on their studies and for their future success. So I request you all to please contribute, donate, be it a small amount or whatever you can. It will surely go a long way to help this school. Thank you so much.
Hi friend and well wishes. A very good morning in India. I'm so happy that I'm in this place, and the school name is Sunrise Adventist Secondary School, and we are so fortunate to be at this point of time to just tell you about this school. This school belongs to the farmers, and it is the sons and daughters of farmers are coming into this place, and Hills Farmer Union is working so hard to make the life of the children here a little bit better through different activities, through different trainings, and through different curricular activities. And today, friend, I just want to ask you to come forward to help our farmers, especially these farmers who are in this border with Assam. They have many difficulties, many issues, many problems, but having a school, we see there's a hope, there's a light beyond. And I ask you all, if you could, with your generous soul and generous spirit, please donate even a bit. You don't have to donate much, but just the one that we have a little will do so much for these children here. And we are so happy to tell you, like, the school here has got enrollment to its full capacity. We can't take more than this. And in fact, we have got the buildings here all dilapidated, and due to which we want to raise this fund for construct a new building for our children here, so that they have a roof on their head and they have a classroom where they can learn and be the bright future for the farmers in this region. And I urge you, please come forward with your generosity. Please come forward and do something with it. Together with you, we can achieve great things. It does not matter whether it is big or small. but your contribution matters a lot to us. Please come forward and help us in building this school to its full potential. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. Vicky Pali, the principal of the school. One more time, I'm here standing next to the construction, in which I really want to thank each and everyone contributing to the construction of the school building. As you can see now, the pillars are lifted and the work of the school building is on the move, on the floor. Thank you once again. God bless you all, and thank you once again. Thank you.